بنورنا الدنيا وننشر في الفضاء أملا ونعلي عزم همتنا فمن طلب العلا وصل. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. It's a final round. We are going to do same things that we did in first and second rounds, as you know, okay? The first question for Umar ibn Khattab is the question: in which hadith is the command to worship only Allah?
Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim.
In which hadith is the command to worship?
U'budullaha wahdah, worship only Allah.
MashaAllah. The next question is: share a Quranic verse that stops confounding truth with falsehood and hiding it.
Do not ولا تلبسوا الحق بالباطل وتكتموا الحق وأنتم تعلمون. Do not confound truth with falsehood and do not hide the truth when you know.
MashaAllah. The next question is: what is the name of the mother of our beloved Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam?
The name of the Prophet's mother is Hazrat Bibi Amina radhiyallahu ta'ala anha.
MashaAllah. The next question is: could you share a brief hadith on treating women?
Istawsu bin nisa'i khaira. Treat women kindly.
MashaAllah. The next question is: share a Quranic verse that addresses the prohibition of killing children.
ولا تقتلوا أولادكم خشية إملاق. Do not kill your children for fear of poverty.
MashaAllah. The next question is: how many Hajj and Umrah did Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam perform?
Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam performed 1 Hajj and 4 Umrah.
MashaAllah. The next question is for you: in which hadith masajid are described as the most favorite places to Allah?
Ahabbul bilad ila Allah masajiduha. The dearest places to Allah. The masajid are the dearest places to Allah.
MashaAllah. The next question is: would you tell me a Quranic verse that emphasizes on enjoying virtue and avoiding ignorant people?
خذ العفو وأمر بالعرف وأعرض عن الجاهلين. O Prophet, take forgiveness as your habit, enjoy virtue and avoid the ignorant people.
MashaAllah. The next question is for you: who is the first martyr of Islam?
The first martyr of Islam, Hazrat Sumayya radhiyallahu ta'ala anha.
MashaAllah. Second team's turn. The first question for the second team is: in which hadith is the command to get help only from Allah?
إذا سألت فاسأل الله. If you need, إذا استعنت فاستعن بالله. If you seek help, then seek help only from Allah.
MashaAllah. The next question is: is there any Quranic verse that emphasizes remembering and thanking Allah?
فَاذْكُرُونِي أَذْكُرْكُمْ وَاشْكُرُوا لِي وَلَا تَكْفُرُونَ. So, remember me and I will remember you. And be thankful to me and be not ungrateful to me.
MashaAllah. The next question is: tell us the name of the first masjid built after the advent of Islam.
The first masjid built after the advent of Islam is Masjid Quba.
Masjid Quba. MashaAllah. The next question is: in which hadith has it been stated that reward of deeds depends upon the intentions?
إنما الأعمال بالنيات. The reward of deeds depends upon the intention.
MashaAllah. The next question is: present a Quranic verse on death. Death.
كل نفس ذائقة الموت. Every soul has to test death.
The next question is: where is the Qibla of Muslims?
The Qibla of Muslims is in Makkah Mukarramah.
MashaAllah. The next question: in which hadith is the command to make ablution well?
أسبغ الوضوء. Perform wuzu ablution properly.
MashaAllah. The next question is: what teachings are found
in Quranic verses regarding debts and their repayment? What teachings are found?
يا أيها الذين آمنوا إذا تداينتم بدين إلى أجل مسمى فاكتبوه. All you who believe, whenever you transact a sale payable at a specified time, put it in writing.
Whenever you transact a
Debt payable at a specified
debt.
time.
Yeah, mashallah. The next question. Who is known as Ruhul Amin?
Jibreel alayhi salam is known as Ruhul Amin.
MashaAllah. 9 questions have been completed. 9 questions have been completed and we have done first round.